I thought I had coffee in here, but apparently I do not. I also have these creamers, and guess what? They didn't freeze. I'm not sure if you can freeze these things. In fact, as an experiment, since it's 14 degrees out, I'm going to set one of these outside, fully exposed to the elements, and we're going to see if this will freeze solid or not. The creamer has been outside for a little over 2.5 hours, and the temperature's down to 11 degrees, and it's still not frozen solid. So I'm going to put it back outside and we're going to leave it overnight, and we're going to see what it's like in the morning. Well, this morning it was 22 degrees out. I know it was in the low teens Fahrenheit all night, and this is not frozen solid. It's not liquid. It's something in between. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in my deep freeze, and in 4 hours or 5 hours pull it out and see if this French vanilla creamer can actually freeze. I'm kind of curious. To answer the question, will these freeze? Well, instead of being in there for just a few hours, it was in there for a few days, and it didn't freeze solid. It's still kind of soft after being in a deep freeze for several days. See? It's kind of like the consistency of a hard pudding. This was in my deep freeze too, and that's pretty solid. So to answer my question, will these French vanilla creamers freeze? Apparently not. Thanks for watching.